YouTube video, everybody. You can probably guess by the fact that I am dressed lazy as fuck that something is happening today that requires me to do a lot of work. You might think it is sewing, but I am not wearing the measuring tape. I am standing in a very, very echoey, completely white room. What could I be doing? What indeed? Well, so here's the thing. There is a room in my house that none of you have ever seen. I have a spare room and I didn't include it in the apartment tour because it's a fucking spare room and it looks like this. It is completely blank walls. So today I decided to decorate it. I picked up some stuff at Aberfoyle Antique Market. I have a vlog on them if you want to go watch it. They're fucking amazing. You can get so much good shit there. I picked up some stuff because I thought it's time to make this room into a room. So I'm going to show you around what it looks like now, and then we're going to decorate it together and make it much more fun and gothy, I promise. So this is literally the room. It is blank walls, blank walls, blank door. That's a closet. This is the closet over here. Blank all the way. There is nothing, literally nothing in here except for a bed, which is not even made. So yeah, we're gonna deck this out and make it much more me because currently it's just absolutely nothing. All right, so it's time to start decorating this beast. Jessica very kindly has agreed to come along and help me, so she will be here shortly. I told her to dress super ass lazy as well because it's like a million fucking degrees in my apartment right now, so I thought, what better time to decorate this room and do a bunch of heavy lifting and construction than a day where it's 40 fucking degrees Celsius. I didn't even put on eyelashes. That's how fucking hot it is out, you guys. Let's get going. All right, we've only just started and I'm so hot. I gotta use my drag fan, Jesus Christ. Anyway, we moved in this beautiful doctor's table, which I bought completely by accident, actually. I went out to Aberfoyle and, well, a lady had messaged me previously and asked me if I wanted to buy it. And I said yes, but I don't have any money right now. And she was like, well, I really wanted to go to a good home, like a senior apartment, that's where it belongs. And she just came out to Aberfoyle one day, found me and was like, surprise, your table's here. And I was like, fuck, my car's full of thrift store stuff. I didn't know, whatever. But anyways, we managed to get it in the car and she totally trusted me to pay her later, which was amazing because we don't really know each other. That was really sweet of her. And I did pay her, by the way. It is now paid for. So it is my table completely and it is here in the room. Let me show you a close-up of it. It's actually it's a really cool table. Look at this crazy fucker. This is a pre-1900s doctor's table. So this is the headboard here. It goes in and out like this for your head. Apparently once upon a time it had footboards down here that would come out for your feet, but those were lost long ago. So this is my new table for this room. It's starting to look super ass gothy already, and I've only got one thing in here. Let's keep going. Okay, so now we're here. I put this beautiful red runner on here, this antique red velvet and gold runner that I picked up for $5 at Aberfoyle. And the light's same, and the candle holder from Aberfoyle. Put the other runner there. So we're here. I've got these absolutely fucking hideous 1970s gold curtains that I am totally in love with, and some curtain hardware and some bullshit and some tools. So we're going to attempt to put curtains on this motherfucking window, and I'm going to be hot as balls, but let's do it. Okay, so this is done. I don't want to fucking talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. Don't want to talk about it. But it's fucking done. And it actually looks really good. I know you can't really tell because it's backlit as shit, but this actually looks really, really pretty. It's starting to kind of sort of come together like a room, and I am sweating like some sort of horrible fucking farm animal. So let's keep going. All right, we put up some wall decor. I put up this great fucking mirror that I found. I don't know if you can even see this, but when mirrors start to decay and they start to do like this this kind of thing, that's like my favorite. That's like my favorite fucking thing. I refuse to basically have mirrors in my house that aren't doing that. If it's not an antique mirror, I give no fucks for it. Got your Jesus over the bed, of course, to keep people in line. Although, did you see my skeleton pillowcase? Yes, a friend of mine bought this fabric because she thought the skeletons were fighting. Look at how they are fighting. I've never seen these fight techniques before. So, you know, when I informed her that the skeletons were not in fact fighting, she had a small fit about it and said that she had made curtains for her grandmother out of it, which is, you know, not the best idea. I also have this mirror, which is delightful. So all of this so far, and also this, I put up this religious Last Supper picture that I got at a thrift store for $5. So we're going. Now I'm gonna put on this bedspread, which I got secondhand. Look at this fucking gorgeous antique red velvet bedspread. It's got these like great like tassel things on the side of it. I'm pretty excited. Gonna put that on the bed and keep decorating. Let's go. Bedspread accomplished. Everything is turning red and gold in here, and I'm vaguely okay with it. I'm vaguely okay with it. Everything is kind of pretty good so far. I also found these two crucifixes, which are doing literally nothing right now. So I'm going to put them on the wall. I think I might put them maybe even up here beside this. We'll see. Oh, time to keep decorating. See, I said it. I said it and I did it. Don't they look good? Don't they look good beside this picture? They look totally awesome. I also put this chair in here, this black velvet chair, underneath this mirror. Jessica informed me that this looks like somebody's grandmother's room from the 1970s that probably has antiques from like her grandmother and her mother and shit still in here, and she's like super religious. And I'm kind of into it. I'm kind of into that description. I think it's great. Let's keep going. We're getting closer. All right, you guys, it's done. And like, holy fuck. This is like the worst day of the year to decide to do this. I'm no longer a man. I am no longer a woman. I am some form of horrible, sweaty farm animal. But like, it was totally worth it. My eye makeup is bled into one solid color and I don't even fucking care because this was like totally worth it. I'm doing a slow spin. I'm going to show you this better in a minute. This is not decorated enough for me. Like, I definitely need like some more decorations, but for now it's not bad. Like, I don't want to force myself to buy stuff that like I don't really like, so it's good enough for now. And I'm going to continue to find fun decorations and make this room more and more fabulous. I also dragged in things from other parts of the house, obviously, which is weirding me out a little bit because the rest of the house doesn't look like I'm used to it looking, but it looks fucking great in here. I'm going to flip the camera and show you. Hang on. All right, so here is going into the room. This is coming from the hallway. We have the crucifix and Last Supper picture going into the room. Ignore the tripod. We have the kneeler. We have the cross, which totally works with the light switch. So when you turn the light on, the cross comes on, which is pretty great. We've got the beautiful gold mirror going around to the gold curtains, which look dark because they're backlit right now, but they are actually a really beautiful color of gold with the heavy burgundy tassels. We've got the heavy red velvet bedspread and trim going up. Jesus pictures, mirror that's decaying, antique doctor's table and candelabra. This was actually a beautiful piece of goth history given to me by Mark Henderson. You should look him up on Instagram. He's a fucking fabulous model. He wears like weird Marie Antoinette dresses every day and I fucking love him. He's a gorgeous human being. Check him out. Got the lights, back over to the closet and back out the door. Unfortunately, this room isn't big enough for me to film the whole thing from the inside, but there you have it. So there you have it, a sweaty human-style farm animal decorating this room in a 1970s religious, antique-y, weird-ass fashion. Anyway, I fucking love it. I think this room turned out great, and I'm really pleased to have a room in my house where people can come over and stay if they need to, because previously when people stayed at my house for like parties or whatever, they kind of had to sleep on an air mattress in the middle of the living room, which is not not a great option, but people did it because my parties are great. What can I say? Anyways, I hope you like this video, and I hope you love this room. Not that you can see most of it behind me, but it actually looks really fucking cool, and I hope you enjoyed it. So if you liked this video, if you could please give it a thumbs up, that would be amazing. If you want to follow me on any of the things, we're going to list all of my social media links below: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Depop, Redbubble, I don't even know what else, Twitter, all the things down below. Yeah, if you want to ring the bell, you can get notifications from when I put out new videos on my YouTube channel. Probably not any more room decorating because I don't have any more rooms, but you never know unless you ring the bell, do you? If you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be even more amazing. And I think that's it. Like, subscribe, follow me on all the things. Oh, I have Ko-fi. Buy me a Ko-fi if you want to support the maintenance of my sewing machines and my weird fabric art, and also the fact that we're saving up for like proper recording equipment rather than just my fucking phone. And I think that's it. I hope you love the beautiful new room that I set up, including this fucking cross. Isn't that amazing? And that's it. I'll see you guys all around for my next YouTube video. Thanks for watching.